A bad drive belt tensioner manifests in three key symptoms: squealing noise, visible belt wear, and accessory failure. Squealing, often a high-pitched chirp during startup or acceleration, indicates belt slippage due to insufficient tension. Belt wear appears as fraying, cracking, or glazing, worsened by misalignment or over-tensioning. Finally, accessory failure includes a malfunctioning alternator causing battery issues, power steering loss, or overheating due to water pump failure. Addressing these symptoms promptly is crucial to prevent further damage. Remember, squealing is often the first sign and should not be ignored. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to cascading failures and roadside emergencies. The tensioner's job is to maintain proper belt tension, ensuring power delivery to essential components. A failing tensioner reduces efficiency and can cause complete accessory shutdown. If you notice squealing, inspect the belt for wear. If either is present, have the tensioner and belt inspected by a mechanic. Proactive checks every 30,000 to 50,000 miles can prevent unexpected breakdowns. Don't wait for complete failure. Early detection saves time and money and prevents potential near accidents.